So question 4 on the extra credit for test 2 states three forces A, B, and C act on a body. A fourth force F is required to keep the body in equilibrium. In figure 5.5, the x component of the fourth is closest to. So we need to calculate the x component. So by doing this, we're going to get the corresponding angle, which is 55. This one is going to be 50. And this one is going to be 65. So for A, it will be 30 newtons of 30 cosine of 35. For B will be 40 cosine of 65 minus in the x direction. And C will be 50 cosine of 50. So when we get these values, we get 30 cosine of 30. 30 cosine of 30. 25 point. Not, you see, I messed up. Not 30, not 35. I'm sorry. It's not 35. How can I erase? But 55. Okay. So 30 cosine of 55, 17. 40 cosine of 65 is minus 16.9. And 50 cosine of 50 is 32.14. So when we add all of these values, so we have 17 minus 16.9 plus 32.14. This gives us 17 minus 16.9 plus 32.14, so 32 newtons. So that is our answer. So it's 32 newtons, so it corresponds to letter D.